Hi everyone, it's Ariel from Sphinx Financial Planning. Today I am going to show you how to create a basic MailChimp campaign. Last week I showed you how to create a MailChimp list and set up an automated blog post campaign, and this week we're going to look at an educational campaign. After you log into your MailChimp account, head over to the Campaigns tab and click Create Campaign. In the pop-up window, select Email, and then Triggered, and then Welcome New Subscribers. You can name your campaign, or you can leave it as is, and select the list you created in the prior video from the drop-down list. Hit Design Email on the right. We'll give the email subject, preview text, and you can change the from name and the email address if you'd like to do so. Next, we'll hit Template, and if you've already saved a template, you can reuse it. If you want to create another template, then I'll put the link to the previous video in the description of this, and you can go back and watch it and follow the steps. So let's use a previously saved template like this one. This one's already pre-filled with my data, but you can customize the template that you've already made and just edit the text and add your signature if it's not already there. You can also customize the call to action button at the bottom if you've created one, as well as the social links. Once you're done, go ahead and hit Save and Continue. And then you can add additional emails to the workflow. Hit the Add Email button and go through the same design email steps as we just did. And if you want to change the triggers, what sends that email out, go ahead and hit Edit above and then hit Change Trigger. For example, if you want to send a reminder email if the person does not open the email, go ahead and click Previous Email Not Opened and change the number of days you want to wait, let's say 3 days. Then hit Update Trigger and it will bring you back to the same place you were before. Once you're done designing all your emails, go ahead and hit Next. It won't let me proceed, but once you've added the design for all the emails, the Start Sending button at the bottom right will be blue, and you can go ahead and hit it, knowing that anytime somebody gets added to this list, it will start sending that campaign automatically. I use these campaigns for sending reminder messages, sending instructions, and more. You can really think of an infinite number of ways to use a MailChimp campaign. This should be the foundation for a lot of automation processes that you can do on your own. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check back for more helpful automation videos just like this one.